Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get Delta Executor on your Roblox. It's very easy guys. As you can see, I have it here on my iPhone device. In this tutorial I'll guide you through how to install this mode and for your iOS and Android guys, as I said, and that work perfectly on your iPhone mobile without using any computer or any external device. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial and I will show you how I got it. So guys, as you can see, here's the Delta mode. As you can see, will appear automatically in your home screen. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you can just install this mode. First of all you have to do is open any browser, for example Safari, then type this website. It's very easy guys to do. It's named cosgets.com, like this guys, and then /news, like this. As you can see it, it's very easy guys to do. Then click go. After clicking go, all you have to do is wait here until the website will be loaded. After the website loads guys, you'll find here a lot of games that you can add and install them, but we have now the tutorial of Delta Executor, so we're gonna write here Delta like this. So as you can see, it will appear automatically here, and then click download. Then here you have to wait until the download will be finished, and then we will see how it goes guys. So after the download finish, you will be required sometimes to complete a verification. It's very simple. As you can see, it's download completed. So guys, here for example, you have to complete some verifications. That's very easy guys to do. As you can see it here, here's a video that shows also how you can complete these verifications guys. It's very easy guys. It's only some tasks that you have to complete it. So as a installing some apps or completing some surveys or something like that guys. Okay, as you can see, here's a lot of things that we can do. For example, I didn't see actually here any app that I can install it, but maybe sometimes some apps doesn't work. So you'll be maybe required to complete some tasks, for example this one. So clicking continue. As you can see guys, here will appear automatically like this, and then here you have to just complete some name, I mean your name and your first name and your last name and email, and then you have to complete you will receive an email, and then you have to verify it. And then after you complete all these, so all you have to do here is complete the second one, for example this one, or maybe install an app, for example also this app. I don't know, sometimes it doesn't work, some apps doesn't work, so I will try it with you guys. Sometimes, as you can see, you will be redirected to Google Chrome. So it's very easy. You have to complete just 2 apps or complete 2 tasks, surveys, offers, doesn't matter. It doesn't takes you more than 5 minutes guys, and you will get Delta Executor. As you can see it here, I already got the Delta. As you can see, will also appear in your home screen guys. It's very easy. So I hope you really enjoyed this video guys. That's it, and I hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below about your problem guys, or if you had any problem. So guys, I hope you really enjoy it. Also, if you need any key about Delta Executor, or your case has been expired, so just drop a comment that I need a key, a new one, so I will get one personalized for you guys. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe our channel for more. See you in that video guys.